Okay, so we've just gotten to our room. About to walk right in. That's pretty cool. You can see right away, you can see the walls. It's all New York theme, which is really, I mean, it's got to be expected. There's the bathroom. Nice floors, toilet, hair dryer, shampoo. It's very clean. The bathroom is really, really clean. And it's a nice stand-in shower with nice tiling. So you kind of your typical standard bathroom. I actually really like the open 24/7 neon sign. That's very New York. So I'm really into that. That's cool. And then here's the actual room. It's a little dark right now just because we don't have all the lights on. But we got the 2-queen bed. There's a sort of mirror with some drawers. And I think what looks to be oh, that's interesting. What goes in there? I don't know what's in there.
Is that supposed to be a fridge?
I wonder. I don't know.
Did somebody steal the fridge?
I have no idea. It feels like that's where a mini fridge is supposed to be, but it doesn't look like there is one. There's a TV and an interesting closet set up to kind of put your clothes in. So there's a bunch of shelves here. There's your ironing board with the iron down there. Some hangers. Here's your safe here. And then if we look quickly, so that's the view we have. There's T-Mobile Arena right across. We got a perfect view of where the Vegas Golden Knights play, right at T-Mobile Arena. And also the track to the roller coaster is right there dead ahead of us. So that's an awesome view. And then there's a little table here, which is actually quite nice. So if you get room service or something, or you bring some food up, you have a place you can actually sit and eat it. So overall, the room looks really, really nice. The beds are kind of an interesting color. With the yellow, it's very New York-y, kind of looks like the New York taxis. And then there's more wall art on here. But yeah, overall it's nothing too fancy, but it's pretty standard. I like the cool theming that they have. It definitely feels very New York-y.